Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 22. In this lesson, we will learn how to use what. What is word what in Arabic and how to use in sentence. And I hope you might have watched previous lesson. Before I begin, I would like to inform if anyone wants to reading, writing Arabic, please visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of foundation course. And also I would like to inform if anyone wants to start speaking Arabic, to learn to speak Arabic, please get all videos in playlist with name of spoken Arabic series. And also I would like to request, please like, share and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. So first I write here integrative word is what. So what in Arabic say ish. Ish means what. Okay. So we will use in sentence. We use in sentence. 1 minute. Is what ish. Okay. Simple. First we will use simple sentence. Suppose what is this, right? What is this? And you know what this, right? I hope you might watch my lesson, right? This diet, right? What is this? Say in Arabic is ishada. Ishada. What is this? Ishada. What is this? Suppose this is this is a car. Okay, you can say hadi siyara. Okay, why hadi? Hadi is for feminine because siyara word is feminine. And this is a house. Okay, say hada bait. Okay, because bait is masculine, to use hada. And also note, in Arabic there is no izmar. There is no izmr. Okay, there is no izmr. There is no izmr. Okay, so there is no izmr. So hada bait. This is a house. Okay, is a what. Now next sentence we can use is very important. What is your name? Simple, right? What is your name? Right? Say in Arabic, ish. You can say ish isma anta. Ish isma anta. Ish isma anta. Ism is name, right? Ish isma anta. Ish isma anta. What is your name? Addressing male. And ish isma anti. Ish isma anti. What is your name? What is your name? Female. Okay. What is your name? Female. Ish isma anta. What is the name? Male. Ish isma anti. What is the name? Female. Suppose my name is. Suppose my name is Rami. Rami is male. Rami. My name is Rami. To say ism ana Rami. Ism ana Rami. Okay, male. Male, female. Okay, my name is male, female, both, right? Ism ana Rami. And my name is Noora, female. Girl's name Noora. You can say ism ana Noora. Ism ana Noora. Ism ana Noora. My name is Noora. So again, repeat this question. Ish isma anta? Male. Ish isma anti? Female. What is the name? My name is Rami. Ism ana Rami. Ism ana Rami. Or ism ana Noora. Okay, we can ask what is your name other way. Okay, other way. We can ask your name. What is your name other way? So other way, what is your name? You can ask other way. Ish ismak. And this email, Ish ismak, Ish ismak, and Ish ismik. What is your name? This is formal way. This is formal way. So we can ask. This is formal way. Ish ismik. What is the name? And reply, my name is Rami. To say, Ismi. This is formal way. My name is Ismi. Ismi Rami. Or you can say Ismi Noora. Okay. Ismi Noora. My name is Noora. So this is other way. This is formal way. So you can say Ish Isma Anta, Ish Isma Anti, or you can say formal Ish Ismak or Ish Ismi. Okay. Ismi Rami or Ismi Noora or Isma Ana Rami or Ism Ana Noor. Okay, hope you got it. Shukran. Very good. MashaAllah. Mumtaz. Excellent. Mazboot. Perfect. Okay. Now, ask is what is your full name? So, what is your full name? You can say simple. Ish isme anta kamil. Kamil means full. Okay. Okay. You can say my ism. Reply ism ana kamil Rami Saleh. Rami Saleh. My full name is Rami Saleh. My ism ana Kamil Rami Saleh. My full name is Rami Saleh. My full name is okay Rami Saleh. Done. So and you can ask. Okay, you can make question. You can make question yourself. Right. What is company name? What is company? What is company name? What is company name? You can say इश इसमें sharika. इस इसमें sharika. What is company name? Okay. So suppose what is country name? What is country? What is country name? You can say in Arabic इश इसमें bilad. Okay. इश इसमें S is Bilad. What is country name? Right? Yes. What is boss name? What is boss name? So you can say Ish isme Ish isme mudir, Ish isme mudir, or Ish isme arbab. Okay. What is employee name? You can ask. You can make many questions. Okay. What what is employee employee name? What is employee name? So you can ask ايش اسم مؤدف مؤدف مؤدف. What is employee name? Okay, and you can ask many questions, make many questions. Okay, so now I hope you might have enjoyed this lesson and you might have some understood. Okay, and now I hope you can make many questions, you can make sentence, and you can use daily conversation. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in next class. I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Ma salama, bye, and see you. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. See you. نهارك سعيد. Have a nice day. نهارك سعيد. نهارك سعيد. Have a nice day. شكرا. نهارك سعيد. شكرا. نهارك سعيد.